She has seemed uncharacteristically out of sorts. And look how quickly this field has been blown apart. 59 seconds for the first 400 meters.
Without in third, I really like her. I think that she is somebody that is young and vibrant, really doesn't know her limits. She's run 3:53 already this year. She's dropped a ton, and she's got her eyes right on the woman she needs to. Right in front of her, Kipyegon.
Laura Muir, the silver medalist 3 years ago, struggling to live with this pace. And Sege obviously had this as a predetermined tactic. She has been so disappointed by her 2 races so far. As they come round now, 2:03 at 800 meters. But Kipyegon's head looks steady. There's no tension in the shoulders. But I'll tell you what, that's a world-class lineup of women queuing behind Kuhuthira Sege. And they can all stake a claim to having the talent to win this title.
I'm just keeping my eye on Laura Muir. She's also a 3:53 athlete, setting her new PB and national record. She's closing that gap. Did she time this right? Did she go out and not go lactic? We'll have to see what happens at front, but Sege is already in trouble.
Muir is working furiously to rejoin this group. It's the last individual track final